Hello everyone, Brett Gurney here with BrettGurney.com. How's everybody today? So today's training, Facebook advertising for the business builder. This also has to do with Facebook in general and creating engagement, which gets you a wider reach and more people can see your material. It's all a matter of creating engagement, asking questions. Okay, do things that will get people to respond to you and to talk back. Add some humor in there, be entertaining, include calls to action, or even multiple choice survey type of a thing. It's to get people engaged. Okay, it's that interaction that Facebook is looking for. And for those who do nothing but post their business links, moderation is key. It's okay to let your friends know what you do, okay, but it's a turnoff if that's all that you talk about. But there's a way to do that without being spammy. And if you connect with them properly, it opens up a whole new world. And if somebody's not taking advantage of that, they should be. There's a lot of possibilities for Facebook marketing in general. But now I want to talk for a second about Facebook advertising. For those of you who are not using Facebook advertising, it is a good resource. Okay, it's one of the better resources. The transition of pay to play. Gone are the days where you're going to be able to reach all your, if you have a business page, being able to reach all your fans without having to pay to do that. And there's pros and cons, that's for sure. A lot of people are upset for the fact that, hey, I spent money on marketing to get these fans, and now I have to spend more to reach my fans with my messages. Yeah, that's not ideal. But even so, Facebook is one of the best resources that there is out there. And personally, I do it. I use Facebook paid advertising, and I get good results from it. Okay, and I encourage anybody who's not to at least check into it and read about it and learn about it. There are some changes happening. It's not quite what it used to be. You do have to pay to play, but it's still a great resource. Yeah, it's not fair that we have to pay to reach the fans that we already paid to get. That's not, but it's just the way that it is right now. And I personally will continue to do it because I get results from it. And I encourage anyone that's not using Facebook advertising to look into it, try it out. It's inexpensive to try. Some of the campaigns that I do, I'm spending $1 a day, and I'm getting people onto my website and onto my lead capture pages from it. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you got something out of this. It's a little bit out of the norm of some of the stuff that I usually talk about. But if you do want more tools, tips, and techniques for internet marketing, and particularly beginners, and how to help creating your unique brands on the internet, go to my blog, BrettGurney.com, and to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Brett Gurney. Appreciate everybody's feedback, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye.